The strongest storytelling layouts keep viewers curious about what comes next. Today, how to create sequential story frame layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Start with a soft gray background and apply a subtle gradient for depth. Insert 5 rectangular frames and arrange them in a smooth sequence across the canvas. Upload your images and place them into each frame, adjusting crops carefully so the narrative develops naturally. Increase the size of the center frame slightly to establish hierarchy and emphasis. Add thin connecting lines between the frames and reduce their opacity to keep them understated. Apply soft shadows and lower blur